Welcome back to Primetime News. A special welcome to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. An 8-year-old girl is in serious condition at hospital following an attack by gunmen at her St. Thomas home this morning. The girl's father was killed in the shooting. It has renewed security concerns in the parish as shortly after that incident, a house was set on fire. Details in this report.
Residents in Lloyd's District, Yala St. Thomas are shocked and puzzled as to why a taxi operator and his family were attacked at their home Sunday morning. According to police reports, about 3:40 a.m., 35-year-old Jermaine Kelly, also known as Darb, and his family were at home when he was alerted by neighbors about a fire on the front door.
He came outside, tried to extinguish the blaze when he was met by gunfire. He ran back into the house and collapsed onto the bed, where he died.
As for the rest of the family,
his 8-year-old daughter received gunshot wound and was taken to the Princess Margaret Hospital, where she's been treated. His girlfriend escaped injuries. His white Honda Expert motor car, a station wagon, was also set ablaze outside the front of the yard and was totally destroyed.
While that family was grieving, another fire was set in the neighboring community of Barnesbury. But luckily, no life was lost in that fire.
Earlier, the police received information of a fire where a house was set ablaze in the Barnesbury district. We do not know if those incidents are connected at this time, but the investigation is ongoing.
The police say they are still not sure if the two incidents are connected. They are asking anyone with information that can assist in their investigations to contact the Yallas Police Station at 876-982-5075, Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.